This is how I make fake champagne for Valentine's Day. To make the fake champagne, you're going to need resin. I suggest using PPE. You see I'm wearing gloves. Do this in a ventilated space. Wear a mask, whatever you're comfortable with PPE. You can buy this resin on Amazon or at Hobby Lobby. So you mix equal parts. You're gonna need 3 of each of those cups, 3 A side and 3 B side. Now, normally you would stir resin very slowly because you want to avoid air bubbles, but in this case, since I'm making champagne, I do stir it very fast. Once it's completely mixed, you can go ahead and add some glitter. I'm just going to use this glitter from Michaels. You can use whatever kind of glitter that you'd like. Just thoroughly mix it in. Now I'm doing something special here. If you don't want to add the little hearts that I'm going to add, you're good to go and you can just pour this into your glass. But what I like to do is suspend some hearts in it. If you want to suspend some objects in your resin, you do have to wait until it becomes more viscous, until it starts curing. So wait about 20 minutes if you want to do the same effect that I'm doing. Now I've already made one and I just want to compare them so that I know how high to go with the resin. But you can see I'm just adding the little hearts, I'm pushing them down. You can see how viscous and thick my resin is already. So I'm just adding different layers of the hearts and then I'm going to match the amount in each glass. After the resin is completely cured, I'm just taking some DAP lightweight spackle and you just want to do a little star in there just for some support. Then you just do a circle of the fake whipped cream and then you do another circle on top of it. Now I'm just adding a fake strawberry to the top. I just love Valentine's Day so much. So now I'm gonna go ahead and make the gold champagne. It's the exact same process, except what I did was I added a drop of yellow food coloring, actual yellow food coloring, into the B side of the resin. You just mix equal parts of A side and B side of your resin. And then you add some gold glitter. You can use whatever kind of gold glitter that you'd like, but I chose one that had a rainbow iridescent shift to it. It's totally up to you, but just make enough resin to fill up both your cups and then you just fill it to the top and let it cure like you did with the pink. So here's the completed champagne after it's completely dry. Let me know which one is your favorite in the comments, and I hope you have a very happy Valentine's Day. Make sure to follow me for more fun tutorials.